Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Wild Rift unstable network connection. So if your ping keeps spiking or the game keeps disconnecting, here's how you can fix it. So sometimes your Wi-Fi might be unstable. You can try switching to mobile data, or if you're on a data, connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection. This is the fastest way to test if your connection is the problem. After that, restart your Wi-Fi router and your phone. A fresh restart often clears out temporary network glitches causing Wild Rift to lag. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Wild Rift server may block unstable connection from these services. If possible, connect to a 5G Wi-Fi network instead of 2.4G. It's a faster and more stable, especially if multiple devices are using the same router. Now, close all the apps running in the background that may be using data like YouTube downloads or cloud backup. Freeing up bandwidth helps stabilize Wild Rift. Now, as a last resort, you can simply reinstall the application. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version, and if the problem continues, simply long press on Wild Rift, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete. Once you have installed Wild Rift, open up your App Store again and then reinstall Wild Rift again. That's it. That is how you can fix unstable network connection problem in Wild Rift. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.